When sales slow down, the first answer is often more leads. Increase the ad budget, add another listing source, run another campaign, put more names into the CRM. That works only if the business can carry the opportunities it already receives. If calls are missed, follow-up is slow, ownership is unclear, and customer context disappears between systems, more leads do not repair the process. They increase the pressure on the same broken process. Now the team has more notifications, more incomplete records, more callbacks competing with the customer standing in front of them, more warm opportunities pushed aside by whichever deal looks hottest today. Conversion falls. Marketing gets blamed for lead quality. Sales says the customers were not serious. Management buys another source and hopes the next batch performs better. The business is paying to pour more opportunity into a system that has not proven it can hold it. Before increasing lead volume, trace the existing path. How quickly does a real person respond? Is the first response useful or merely automatic? Who owns the second and third move? Does the customer have to repeat the story? Can management distinguish a living opportunity from a forgotten record? The advantage is not fewer leads. The advantage is knowing the business can capture, understand, follow up, escalate, and remember before it pays for more volume. That is what the revenue leak scorecard is designed to reveal. It does not begin by promising an industry average loss or an imaginary return. It examines your call paths, forms, messages, CRM handoffs, response ownership, and customer context. Then the first proof fixes the leak that matters most. If you are considering a larger marketing budget, measure the follow-up system first. More leads should create more opportunity, not a larger pile of evidence that nobody acted on. StackFast, live easy.